Welcome, in front of me is an LG K41s, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into download mode. So before we actually begin, you will need a cable that is for charging, and you want to plug it into your computer. Just have it ready somewhere on the side. And from there, let's power off the device by holding the power key. And when you actually see the option to power off, tap on it, power off, and wait for the device to shut off. When the device shuts off, you then want to hold volume up. So I'm going to be holding volume up only. And while holding volume up, you want to plug in a cable. And keep holding volume up for the entire time. And there we go. So we're now in the download mode. And that is how you would access this. Now, if you want to leave this mode, you will need to hold power key and volume down for, I believe, like over 10 seconds. Now you can see it now turned off, and it automatically powers back on. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.